A very good morning, class 12. So welcome to your English class. So today we are going to discuss a few more things about the chapter on the face of it written by Susan Hill. So we are going to discuss few points from which the long answer question can come, right? So you need to understand these points very carefully so that when these questions will come, you should be able to write the answers for it, right? So although you know about that, we have already discussed various times, and especially in yesterday's class also, about Derry and Mr. Lamb. So where we have talked about it, how Derry, who was an old man, and Mr. Lamb, old man, and Derry, a young boy, they had physical impairment, but their attitudes were totally changed. And even we can say that Mr. Lamb, he was the extrovert person, but from inside he was very lonely, right? So here is one statement written: blind people only ought to be with other blind people, and idiot boys with other idiot boys. This statement was said by Derry, right? So this is blind people only ought to be with other blind people, and idiot boys with other idiot boys, said Derry, and then Mr. Lamb responded. So what basically we get to know from this thing is that Derry, he was interested, or Derek, he was interested that the people who had that physical impairment problem, right? They should be they should be always be with the other people, only those who had the same problem. Basically, as if I would say that Derry, who always used to live alone, who was not interested to be in crowd, he thought it's better that I should be with the other people who had the same problem, because there nobody is going to judge me, because there nobody is going to see me. They are not going to show that pity or sympathy feeling, or make to say that I'm looking very terrible and all. So it's better that the people who are suffering, they should be together. This was the thing. But Mr. Lamb mentioned about it. He had a different perspective towards it. He thought in a very different manner there. According to him, as it's mentioned, we have discussed that he mentioned about that weed and flower, right? One can see that one does not notice about it that there is a growth in both the things. So that is a part of nature. One is weed, one is flower. So we need to mention, we need to see the things in that positive manner only, instead of looking that we need to go and we need to discard the ones who are not good for the society. So Derry said, but Mr. Lamb corrected him. No, we should feel, we should have that feeling that all should be together, and we should have that confidence in ourselves. That is why number of times we have talked about this thing. Even if we talk about the title on the face of it. Now on the face of it, it's not necessary what basically Susan Hill, the author, what basically wants to convey. That just by looking at the appearance, we can't judge the person, try to understand it. We can't judge the person just by looking outside. Both Mr. Lamb and Derry, they had the problem, but their natures were different also. So just by looking at the face, we can't say that this person would be good or bad from inside also. So the person looks different. Obviously, each and every person is different. Appearance, outer appearance is different, but inner matters a lot, and that is not just by looking out the outer beauty. Then kind of life Mr. Lamb led. So what we need to remember in this, that Mr. Lamb, extrovert, positive attitude, he was lonely, he enjoys his company, he makes friends easily. He used to make toffees and candies from those crab apples, no curtains. He used to love the company of nature, bees singing and everything, and even he transformed Derry also. So you need to understand. Reasons for Derry's bitter attitude. Now reason is why Derry always had that bitter attitude, because he had accepted that he was good for nothing actually. He accepted that fact. And he always noticed that people are just looking at him in that ugly manner only. He was not interested to be in the company of the others. That's why he had that bitter attitude towards his life. Basically, he accepted it, that he can't do anything in his life, he can't achieve anything in his life. So we need to mention about it. Now, efforts made by Mr. Lamb towards Derry. Like basically, if we say Mr. Lamb transformed Derry, right? So what efforts he had shown? He had changed his thinking while giving various examples, while telling about the outer inner appearance, while telling about your body is perfectly fit and fine. Don't think about the others, you just watch, listen and understand. So he transformed. Mr. Lam had shown various efforts to transform Delhi or Delhi. So you need to understand the major portions also, that if the 6 marker question can come, then how you need to write it. Right? So in this way you need to do it, and in today's work only you need to do the 6 marker answers. You will write it and you will tell me that what you have understood on all this. Okay? Thank you. God bless you.